Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. My name is Genevieve and in today's video I'll be reviewing e.l.f. foundation. Okay, I'll be reviewing e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation. This foundation has been available like ever since, but it's not available in India, and the Nykaa recently launched it. And yeah, so when they launched, I think it was December 2020, and that's last year December, and it costed 800 rupees at that time. Even the concealer also was 800 rupees. Everything was 800 rupees. I don't know what happened, but then I was eyeing it and I was trying to figure out which shade is going to match me. And I don't know, after like I think January, second week of January or first week, they did sale on this product and it came down from 800 to 640. So I was like, okay, let me just buy these two because I've been eyeing these two shades. I don't know which will fit me, but this is in shade Cocoa and this is in shade Nutmeg. I'll be trying both of them out. I'll be swatching it through. After that, I'll be using it to do a makeup and see how it goes, the coverage and everything. And yeah, this is a product review, guys. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that. Hit the notification button so you get notified whenever I upload any video. Yeah, let's get into this video without further delay. I feel like I'm talking too much already. So guys, first thing first, you guys know I've been like staying in this window. This window has been my lighting, guys. So this sun is not fully up, but it's okay. I'm sure you guys can see me. So the basic here is the primer, guys. You guys know it is important. It is important to apply primer. Prime your face before your foundation. If you don't, the foundation will look so bad, really. I've tried it before. So the primer I'm using is from Wet n Wild and it is the matte primer, and this primer is creamy, it is smooth, and it's so good on the skin. So right now I'll be doing my eyebrow first, brows first, guys, brows first. So I'll be doing my eyebrow first and then the foundation. So for my eyebrows, I'll be using the Wet n Wild brow kit. This one I used it on my last video and I really loved it. It was so pigmented and yeah, it was really nice. So first of all, I'll be brushing this head, making sure they are in place. How cool is this, guys? The eyebrow is so cool, guys. Like, it's so pretty. So for my concealer, I'm using the EuropeGirl concealer in the shade Fawn, and you guys already know all of this. I'm just like repeating it just in case you're new to my channel, and yeah, so you don't feel left out, So for the lower part of my eyebrow, I'm just sculpting it out with a brush and concealer. For the upper part of my eyebrow, you guys know I use foundation to do that, so I'm checking it and I'll be using Cocoa. I got a little amount and I'm sculpting my eyebrow with Cocoa. So I'll be using the remaining concealer to apply it on my eyelid so that it doesn't dry up on my hand and we save some product. Okay guys, I have done these eyebrows. Like, I don't know if they are the same, but these guys are never the same, No matter how you try, they will never be the same. But it's okay. This is not for eyebrow, please. So I'll be like color correcting my face, and I'm using the EuropeGirl Pro Color Corrector. My dark spots are like diminishing to a significant level, guys, and I am so happy because I can't wait to be putting just a little amount of foundation on my face and leaving this house, And a pro tip here, guys, you can always use your fingertips to blend out your product. It's also nice. Okay guys, so it's time to try this out. And see, this one is Nutmeg and this is Cocoa, and it says here it's a satin finish. Directions: apply a small amount starting at the center of the face and blend outwards using fingertips or a sponge or foundation brush. Layer as needed for more coverage. Okay, I will be like swatching it alright on my forehead because I've already applied this stuff on my cheeks, and I'll be swatching it through here to see which one actually matched my skin tone. So this is Nutmeg. And this is Cocoa. Okay, this is Nutmeg. Nutmeg has deep with peachy undertone, and this is neutral undertone. So this is neutral and this is peachy undertone. It's really like it's very thick, like it's thicker than the two foundation I have, but okay, I think it's not thicker than the Wet n Wild foundation, but it's thicker than the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's also thicker than the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I really love both of them. Like there are not so much difference in these two. Like seriously. Okay, this is Nutmeg. I feel like Nutmeg blends in with my skin tone more than Coco. Coco is like a little bit lighter, and Nutmeg blends in properly with my skin tone. So I'll be using like both of them. So I'll blend this out. So make sure your beauty blender is damp. This beauty blender is damp, and I even sanitized it. I want to blend it out to see. Guys, like there are no difference, really. There are no difference. If you blend it out through, you will see that there are no difference in these two. Then they blend well, like they blend very well. And I think I'm going to like mix both of them up. I think I'll be mixing it up whenever I want to use it, because I feel like both of them are like the same thing. Like I'm not seeing the difference really. See, I'm not seeing any difference. Like that's the truth. So let me apply more foundation on my face, so that when I blend it through, I'll like know if it's really good. Like I'll start talking about the coverage and all. And okay, let's begin. All right, like the coverage is really nice. Like the coverage is better than the one of Wet n Wild, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, the Fits Me foundation. The coverage is more when compared to the other ones, and I think it is semi matte finish. This is not complete matte. It is semi matte finish, but due to the fact that I used a matte primer, I think I'll be alright. It would have been nice if it is matte because of my my dark spots and more at work. Okay guys, so now that the foundation is all blended in, I will just be going in for concealer. I'm using the EuropeGirl Pro concealer, and I'm going to use it to highlight my face. I mean, it would have been nice if I had the e.l.f. concealer, but I don't have it because some deep shades there are not available. So that's why like I didn't get one, but it would have been nice to do this with your concealer, you know, so that you know what is what. Okay, I'm going to allow my concealer to stay for like maybe 30 seconds and blend it out, because it has to stay for 30 seconds anyway. So let me blend the concealer out. So in order to contour my face, I'm using the EuropeGirl Cosmetics contour palette, and I'll be using this one right here. This one fits me properly, and it's a powder contour palette, so I think it's better that way. I can have a control over it. So in order to like set the face also, like my setting powder, I'll be using this one here. This is like everything is in this palette. It's so good. I really like it. I really like that everything is there. Yeah. So for a reverse contouring, you get this way. So for me to contour my nose, I'll be using a small brush, so that the contouring will be precise and it will be clean. For a blush, I'll be using this face brush here, and I'll be using this one this is from Makeup Revolution. So guys, my face, I think it is okay now, and I'm going to be like setting it with the natural finish setting spray from Wet n Wild. So for my eyeshadow guys, I'll be doing a very simple eye look because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm using the EuropeGirl. This is the EuropeGirl eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette is so cute. It is travel friendly. I love it, and I love everything about it. So you can like use this to set your face, your eye, and then use this for your eye. This one, so I'll be using this one and any of the shimmer shades today. And I really love this eyeshadow palette. It's so small and so simple. And yep. Okay guys, so like I really love this shade on this contour palette. Like I told you guys, the contour palette is really beautiful, and what I'll be doing is to do like my inner corners. And for me to like highlight my inner corners, I'll be using any of the shimmer shades. I can even like mix it just to highlight my inner corners because I really love the way it looks. So I'll be highlighting my inner corners right here. So yeah, for my lower lash line, I'll be using this one also to do it. I'll be doing my eyeliner. I'll be lining my eye. I'll be doing a simple, like simple, but I'll be applying my eyeliner. All right. So I'll be highlighting my face with Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in molten gold. It's so pretty guys. So guys, for my lips, so I'm using the Loreal lipstick. I don't even know what shade is this, but this is the shade I'm using. Oh my god, this lipstick and the eye, they are like the same guys. So guys, for the final stage, I'll be like going over with a setting spray, the natural finish setting spray, and then I'll tell you guys what I think about this whole look. Okay you guys, the hair is up and this is the final look, and yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what I look. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and what I think about this foundation, the truth is that it's okay, but the fact that it's not like matte finish is what I do not like because I've been using matte finish foundation and I've been doing well on my skin because I have a very oily skin. So right now I don't feel like the foundation like really is giving me that vibe, that glow kind of vibe. Yeah, I'm glowing obviously because I'm sitting right in front of the sunlight, but then the foundation, the coverage is medium. It's just like okay, I'll say the Wet n Wild coverage is far more better than this coverage, and that is the honest truth from what I observed. The makeup I did on my last video is more vibrant, more flawless than this makeup. And yeah, my lipstick and my eyeshadow, they match. And they match, yes. Okay, if you want to buy it, you can always purchase it. Yeah, the accent. So if you guys want to buy it, you can always purchase it. It's available on Nykaa, and yeah, I feel like it's okay. It's okay. I'll just try their concealer once it's back in stock. I'll try their concealer. I feel like the concealer they said is more better than the foundation, but of course everything is fine. As you guys can see, my makeup looks really flawless, although not like I wanted. but it's okay. I mean, it's fine. So yeah, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Okay, if you do like this video, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and when you do that, make sure to turn your notification bells on so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you on the next one. Bye 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 bye.